Hi, I'm Vandana from Ivana Fashion House. I'm going to talk about this book, Model of Fashion and Style Icon by Vandana and Joseph. 20 fashion designers from all over the world are featured in this book. This book is carefully written by the authors. Before it was finally baked, there were various questions which came up and solutions were vastly provided, particularly the questions of intent and target audience. Like other professionally published books, the questions of purpose and target readership audience were key in the final decision. Model of Fashion and Style Icons, Famed and Emerging Talents is a fashion book mainly written to transport readers into the world of fashion. It showcases the aesthetics and elegance of fashion industry, right from its crude age to its present place of pride. The presentations of designers in this book is the high point of the book, and it's targeted to give readers a vivid understanding of the industry from the vantage points of each designer presented. More importantly, it's a platform to showcase the eccentric talents of designers like ever done in time past or present, which makes this book an essential asset in the fashion industry and a must have. I would like to pinpoint a few important points that you could learn from this book by asking biographical interview questions. We have added a layer of depth to our interview. So you all could learn more about the fashion designer's life outside and inside of the industry. By answering the questions, the designers were giving us a peek into the how they think, the things that inspire them, and also the things that interest them as a person and can help our readers get to know the designer on a more personal level. Now, those who want to become a fashion designer. An important question that relates to the fashion designer's career is from where they have taken their training. Some fashion designers undergo extensive professional training in fashion design, including college degrees and high profile internships. Others receive little to no training, relying entirely on raw talent. The answer to these questions tells you a bit about how the designer developed as an artist and also gives readers an idea of what it takes to become a successful fashion designer. Model of Fashion and Style Icon Famed and Emerging Talents is an innovational design compilation or anthology featuring established and emerging fashion designers from all around the world. In this book, you can take inspiration and learn from the world's latest or contemporary fashion designers, notable for their work in couture and ready to wear clothing and accessories, established and upcoming designers alike. We have showcased their work in graphic, full color photographs and illustrations. For ease of reference, fashion designers' illustrations, photographs, and explanations of their lovely designs are categorized according to design type, purpose, and style. For quick reference, a visual index is included with designers' contact information. This impressive fashion book is the first edition to showcase a complete and diverse range of contemporary talents, models, and photographers' creative work. As a would-be designer in the fashion industry, it is essential to know the history of fashion and understand from the vantage points of these celebrated designers. We have covered everything in this book. Generally, when you learn fashion designing in college or institute, you only learn the creative part of how you could design a product, right? But you don't learn how to establish your business in this real world. This book will guide you how the fashion business is run from concept to finish and marketing. This book is not only targeting individuals who want to venture into or are already in fashion. It's for everyone who wishes to succeed in a business life. The case studies incorporate every type of design project possible, from the couture gowns to handbags, scarves to jewelry, making this lavishly illustrated, information rich book an invaluable resource that consumers, designers, design students, fashion retailers, merchandisers, and stylists will turn to again and again. Now, I would like to share a few reviews and testimonials of readers who have purchased this book from me. Amazing graphics and gorgeous color on every page. Great information and fantastic layout and presentation. Much thought and love was put into this book, not to be missed. This book is excellent in providing information to fashion designers to really understand the business in the global industry, how to proceed, and the unexpected key areas to pay attention. Love it. This book is an excellent source of information for those people that want to start in the fashion business and they don't have an idea of where to start. I recommended it. Great read, exactly as described. The book has all the details you need to know to start or grow your business. This book is amazing and far more comprehensive than I thought. They over-delivered on their promise. Easy to read and understand. This is an awesome little guide. The best fashion book to start a business, very simple, with the most useful details for business. No waste of time. Very detailed, gives me an insight of the industry. Incredible book to learn about the business of fashion. Fashion industry workers' best friend. Great book. This book is helping me bring my fashion brand to life. Great book. Love it. Giving me the confidence and information to start a fashion business. I feel up to par with business graduates to debate the best way to run the business and have solutions to problems they don't have solutions for. This book cannot be praised highly enough. It explains all of the basics with enough detail to give you assurance and confidence that you know what you are doing. Currently, my best investment for my money and time in my own business, a must buy. This is perfect for aspiring fashion designing, everything you need to know, but in easy to read format. Amazing book, lots of info, beautiful infographics. I would definitely recommend it to all fashion enthusiasts. A great starter for anyone wanting to set up their own fashion business from scratch. Beautifully produced and very clear step-by-step guide. Not in depth, but for the most people, it's a great way to getting a good overall idea of what's involved in setting up your business. It's aimed at fashion business, but there's a lot in there for many different kinds of businesses. Given all the infographics, I didn't expect it to get into details, but I was pleasantly surprised that it included all the aspects. I feel I can have a good starting point and complete view of the process. You can buy this book from my website www.ivannafashions.com. Thank you.